that in the double fertilization, what happens? The two non-motile male gametes fuses with the egg nucleus, right? Which is in the egg apparatus. And the second male gamete, it fuses with the secondary nucleus, right? To form zygote, which is in diploid condition, right? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's see endosperm. What is endosperm? Okay, everybody knows that embryo. Okay.
Yes.
We have seen the two male gamete, the one that is fuses with the secondary nucleus. Sorry, the one that is fuses with the egg. It forms first male gamete, right? It fuses with the egg apparatus and forms what it forms? Zygote, right? Which is a diploid
condition.
diploid zygote. First male gamete and second male gamete
With secondary nucleus.
is fuses with the secondary nucleus. Okay, and forms what?
Diploid pen.
And forms triploid pen, that is endosperm. Okay, we have seen the two procedures in the double fertilization. Okay, which are those? Syngamy and what? Triple? No, triple fusion, right?
Yes.
In syngamy, the first condition is occur. What is that? The first male gamete fuses with the egg cell and forms diploid zygote, right? And in triple fusion, what happens? The second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus and forms pen, which is triploid in condition, right? Clear?
Clear.
These two processes in the double fertilization. So this is the pen. Pen means
Primary endosperm nucleus.
primary endosperm nucleus. It divides mitotically. Everybody knows there are two conditions in the mitosis, two divisions in mitosis. You have already learned that.
Yes.
Cytokinesis and
Karyokinesis.
karyokinesis, right? Cyto and karyokinesis. What is cytokinesis?
Division of cytoplasm.
Right, division of cytoplasm. And karyokinesis, division of nucleus, right? So let's see a development of endosperm. In that, the pen, that is primary endosperm nucleus, it divides mitotically to form endosperm. Endosperm is a nutritive tissue, right? It provides nutrition to the
Zygote.
that is zygote, further develops into embryo, right?
Yes.
Endosperm provides nutrition to the
Zygote.
embryo. Okay. So next, post fertilization takes place in ovule. Post fertilization means what? After syngamy and after triple fusion. Okay, what happens? Embryo and endosperm develop, right? Right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Means what? This after these two conditions, what happen? Embryo and endosperm
Endosperm develops.
develop simultaneously. Means at the same time. At same time, they will be formed or they will be developed.
Develop.
Clear these 2 points?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka.
Yes.
Next, types of endosperm. Okay. first type is nuclear type. Nuclear means which process? Karyokinesis, right? So this is the most common type in 161 families of angiospermic plants. Okay, this is the most common type in angiospermic plants. Don't forget, this is the most common type. Okay,
Yes.
in 161 families of angiospermic plants. Then the pain, same like that of endosperm. The pain, it is a type of endosperm, nuclear. Means the pain, it divides mitotically, either karyokinesis or cytokinesis. But in nuclear endosperm, there is a karyokinesis, right? Means nuclear gets divided.
Yes.
Then what happens? The nucleus is divided, means the vacuole in the center. Okay, suppose this is a pen. Okay, and this is a zygote, or we also call it as a oospore. Okay, this pen undergoes mitosis and form nucleus. Okay, nuclei at periphery means at the outer side, and vacuole is present in the center. Okay, the vacuole is present at the center. It pushes the nuclei at the periphery side. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is the nuclear endosperm. And after that, in this, the wall formation is developed. Okay, after this, first of all, what happens? The pen undergoes mitotic division. Then what happens? The free nuclei is formed. Okay, this is the free nuclei. And vacuole is present in the center. Okay, the nuclei is arranged in the periphery. Clear? It's arranged at the periphery. And after that, there is a formation of wall. This is embryo. Okay, and wall formation takes place around each nuclei. Okay,
Yes.
clear?
Yes.
But in some plants, the wall formation remains incomplete. Okay, which are those plants? Wheat, sunflower, and coconut. Okay, let's see once again. Nuclear endosperm. It is the most common type in 161 families of angiospermic plants, right? Pain divides mitotically
Yes.
through karyokinesis process, that is nuclear division, right? And after nuclear division, what happens? There is a formation of vacuole in the center and nuclei at periphery, means at the outside. Clear? And after that, wall develop between nuclei. Wall develop between nuclei means what? There is a multicellular endosperm found. Okay, this whole endosperm is multicellular. Okay, this is embryo and this is a multicellular endosperm. Clear? But in some plants, the cell wall formation remain incomplete. Which are those? Wheat, sunflower, and coconut. Let's have a look. About coconut. Okay. What happens in coconut? Multicellular endosperm. We have seen. The vacuole
At center.
present at the center and the nuclei is at the periphery. Right? So vacuole is at the center, means watery portion, watery part of the coconut, right? And the multicellular endosperm, that is its edible part. Okay? That part which we ate, right?
Okay.
This is the coconut. Multicellular endosperm is at outer part. And free nuclei. Free nuclei means free nuclear. That is vacuole. Free nuclear in the center. Don't forget. Wall formation is only developed at the periphery because the cell wall formation is incomplete in coconut. Clear or no?
Clear.
Clear? See, this is the type, nuclear type. Oospore, that is zygote, which is diploid in condition,
Yes.
right? And these are the free nuclei. Okay? This is pen. It divides mitotically to form free nuclear. Barabar? Free nuclear at the periphery and vacuole present at the center. Clear? And then cell wall formation. That is multicellular endosperm is formed. Clear in this much?
Yes.
Now cellular endosperm. Cellular. What is cellular? Cellular means in this endosperm both cytokinesis and karyokinesis process or divisions takes place. Okay? Both process, that is karyokinesis and cytokinesis. And in nuclear only karyokinesis takes place, right? So in cellular endosperm, the pen, okay, that is primary endosperm nucleus, which is triploid in number or diploid. Triploid in number. Why? Because it fuses with the secondary nucleus, which is diploid in number, and the male gamete is haploid in number. Right? The pen is triploid in number. Don't forget. It immediately followed by wall formation. See, we see in the nuclear endosperm what happens. The pen divides, okay, and after that, what happens? There is a formation of free nuclei. No wall formation immediate, right? Is there immediate wall formation? No. The wall formation happens later. Right or wrong? Right. But in cellular endosperm, the pen immediately followed by wall formation. Okay? Endosperm is cellular. Right from beginning. Means there is a separate cell from the beginning. Okay? But in the nuclear, there is a no separate cell because the nucleus are free at the periphery, and after that the cell wall formation is there. Right? endosperm is cellular right from beginning. Okay, and it is mostly observed in 72 families of dicot. Everybody knows that what is dicot and monocot.
Yes. Two seeds.
Two seeds? No. Two seeds.
Monocot means single seeded. Dicot means double seeded.
Now, okay. See, this is maize.
Yes.
It is single seeded or double seeded?
Monocot means
Wheat.
dicot.
Why? Is it dicot? Monocot means single cotyledon. Single cot. Not many seed. It is not related to seed. It is related to cotyledons. Cots. Maize single seed. Jawar single seed. Bajra single seed. Okay. Mango
Single seeded.
no.
एकच सीड असेल मँगो मध्ये.
Mango is double seeded. That is, double seeded means what? Not double seeded. It is called as double cot. Means the cot is divided equally.
Okay.
Sorry. All of you seen the seed of mango? Have you
Yes.
seen the seed of mango? Have you cut it? No. The green mango seed.
It's a green, yes. Green can be cut
In two equal cots.
Yes.
When the seed is cut into two equal cotyledons, then that is dicot.
Okay.
One more example.
Apple.
No. Apple seeds are monocotyledon. Dicot seeds are okay. Dicot plants. In dicot plants, what happens? Have you seen the leaf structure?
Yes.
Dicot plant leaf structure. It is same as like that. Okay, having net-like structure. If we kept these leaves in our notebook,
Yes.
it become net-like
Net-like
structure when we kept it in our notebook. That means it is a dicot
Dicot.
plant. Okay. And monocot plant means maize, like crop plants.
Okay.
Crop plants are monocot plants. Okay, there is a difference between monocot and dicot. Single cotyledon and double cotyledon. Okay, so cellular endosperm is mostly observed in 72 families of dicot of angiospermic plants. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
for example, balsam, petunia, and adona. Remember these examples. It is very important in cellular endosperm.
Okay.
Balsam, petunia, and adona. Okay, clear? What happens in cellular endosperm? The paint divides mitotically. Okay, and immediately there is a cell wall formation, right, from the beginning. Clear? Okay, now hallobial type. Hallobial type, it is an intermediate between nuclear and cellular. Means what? intermediate between nuclear and cellular. Means it takes or it has both the characters of nuclear and cellular endosperm. Clear?
Yes.
So halobial. Halobial, it occurs. Where it occurs? It occurs in halobials. It is one of the order of monopod. Okay? It ends with the suffix ales. Okay? This is the halobial. It is a order of monopod, that is single cotyledon. Okay? Where it occurs in halobials. Clear? In halobials. Halobial is one of the family in the order of monopod. Clear? Okay. Now the pin first of all divides and form transverse wall. Means what? This is pin and this is zygote. When it divides mitotically, there is a formation of transverse wall. Clear?
Yes.
This is a transverse wall. And what happens? There is a division of this cell unequally. The cell gets divided unequally. Means the smaller cell is at the chalazial end. This is at the chalazial end. And this is at the micropylar end. Clear? What happens in halobial? The pin divides, and when it divides, it followed by transfer wall formation. And because of this transfer wall formation, the cell gets divided unequally. Right? The smaller cell is called chalazial end, and the larger cell is called the micropylar end. Okay? And the same procedure is happen. What? The nuclei in each cell divided by free nuclear division. Okay? First, free nuclear division means what? Free nuclear division. The nuclei is arranged at the periphery, right? Vacuole is at the center, and after that, what happens? The cell wall is formed around each nucleus.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the halobial type. Clear? Halobial type of endosperm. Okay. It is an intermediate between nuclear and cellular type. Clear or no? Clear? Okay. The example of halobial is only one example is there. Asphodilus in your book.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now have a look about mosaic endosperm. Sometimes what happens? The endosperm, it looks like patches.
Okay.
There are two different color of endosperm occurring. Endosperm containing tissues, okay, of two different types. We have seen this. This is a embryo, right? And this is a endosperm. But what happens in mosaic endosperm? This endosperm, it looks like in two color, two different colors.
Okay.
So it is a mosaic endosperm. Endosperm having two different colors. It is nothing but the mosaic endosperm. Okay, it containing tissues of two different types called mosaic endosperm. In corn, for example, patches of two different color. There are two patches,
Yes.
two different color patches. So it is called as sort of mosaic pattern, or it is a sort of mosaic pattern. Here, mosaic pattern means the endosperm is having two different patches or two different colors. Clear? This
Yes.
Okay. Now let's take a recall. Okay, nuclear endosperm. Nuclear endosperm, it occurs in 161 families of endospermic plant. Okay, here pen divides mitotically, that is karyokinesis process. Right? Karyokinesis division means nucleus gets divided. Correct? Then what happens? There is a formation of free nuclei at the periphery, and vacuole is present at the center. Okay, and after that the cell wall formation is takes place. Clear?
Yes.
What happens in nuclear? What happens in nuclear type? First of all, the nucleus is divided. Okay, it arranged at the periphery, the vacuole is present at the center, and after that the wall formation is takes place. Okay, and but in some
It remains incomplete.
plants, cell wall formation remains incomplete. Example, remember this example: wheat, sunflower, and coconut. We have seen in the coconut, multicellular endosperm is at the outer part, right? And the free nucleus is in the center. Clear?
Yes.
Now cellular endosperm. Okay? Cellular endosperm. In cellular endosperm, what happens? The pen divides, and immediately there is a formation of wall. Okay?
Yes.
And when there is a formation of wall, the endosperm is cellular. Correct? Right from the beginning. And it is observed in 72 families of dipod. Clear this much?
Yes.
Okay, and example of cellular endosperm is balsam, petunia, and iduna. Halobial type, it occurs in the halobial order of monocots, right? And first division of pen is followed by transverse wall. Okay, the smaller cell is called chalazo. Okay, and the larger cell is called the microbial cell. And same like that of nuclear, what happens? The free nuclei is arranged at the periphery in both the cell, okay? At the microbial side also and at the chalazo side also. Okay? The free nuclear is arranged at the periphery, vacuole is present, and after that wall formation is takes place. Clear? This much? Okay. Next. Mosaic pattern. Two different patches of tissues are observed in the endosperm. Okay. So it is a sort of mosaic pattern. Clear? Now, development of embryo. Okay. Embryo. We already seen that embryo, where it is present inside the embryo sac, right? At which side? At the this side is called as microbial side, right?
Yes.
This is pen.
Pen.
Clear, no?
Yes.
Development of embryo means what? Embryogenesis. Genesis. Genesis means formation. Formation of embryo. Okay. How it is formed? Development of zygote into embryo. We already seen how the zygote is formed. Clear?
Yes.
Clear of?
Clear.
Okay. So this is zygote, which is inside the embryo cell. It develops into embryo, and embryo further develops into seed. Clear? Embryogenesis means development of zygote into embryo. Now, embryo develop at